And we are going to understand a little bit more what it means to be a trusted business advisor and what we can do really to become that trusted business advisor. So we are going to work in this 60 minutes on the ground and work together to see what we have ahead of us and how do we become really a seasoned business advisor. So the context, actually a lot of speakers have shared the need for having seasoned business analysts. So we are going to actually very quickly recap on what we have discussed till now. Then I will cover something called Becoming Trusted Advisor, a TIP, which is an acronym, tools, influence, and principles. We are going to identify the type of advisors and how do we actually become the trusted advisors. Change management is an extremely important part of business analysis. And we are going to touch upon it, how the business analyst can be a change facilitator. So what we are seeing is, just to summarize, that clients are asking business transformation through IT services or products, through technology. They want to see their business getting transformed. Okay. They want the partners, whether they are service providers or the product providers, to own, manage, and improve the business processes. They want the business outcome as a result of transformation, the tangible business outcome. That is the transformation that the industry is looking today. So let's see whether business analysts, first of all, they have in their roles and responsibility to become a trusted business advisors, whether they should advise, right? So this is the definition which is taken from Babcock. Let's look at this definition. Business analysis is a set of tasks and techniques used to work as a liaison among stakeholders in order to understand structure, policies, and operations of an organization, and to recommend solutions that enable organization to achieve its goal. What do you think sounds like advising? Any words that are sounding like advising in this? Recommend solutions? Enabling the organization? Pardon?